Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to this special episode where I am going to talk about indexation benefit. So first, what is indexation? Let us say you buy some property, let us say for 100 rupees 10 years before, and today you are selling for 200 rupees. You are actually getting 100 rupees profit, which is 100%. But imagine 10 years before, what was the value of money and what is the value of money today? The value would have gone down. What you could have bought for 100 rupees those days, you cannot buy for the same 100 rupees now. So why? Because due to the inflation, the prices would have gone up in the last 10 years. So for certain category of investments like real estate, debt mutual funds, the government allows you the indexation benefit. That means if you have bought something for 100 rupees 10 years before, in the last 10 years, so what is the inflation? So for that, they announce inflation index every year. So you can actually go to this website and you can see the indexation cost inflation index. So this is the Income Tax India website. Let us say 2001-2 it is 100. Now 2022-23 it is 331. So which means that if you have invested 100 rupees in 2001-2 and now because of inflation that would have been 331 rupees. So assume that you invested 100 rupees in 2001-2 and now let us say from 100 rupees that price has appreciated to 431 rupees. So you invested 100, now it is 431. So you have already got more than 300% return, 331% return. But for the purpose of income tax, they will take your investment not as 100 rupees, they will take your investment as 331 rupees. Though you invested 100 rupees, but they will take your investment as 331. So you invested 331, now you got 431, that means your profit is only 100 rupees. So you need to pay tax only for 100 rupees. Whereas your actual profit is 331 rupees. But that 231 rupees will be taken out for the purpose of inflation. So this is how this works. Now I am going to give you one more example. Assume that you have invested 100 rupees 4 years before and last year you booked the profit. Let us say bank FD. So assume that you invested 100 rupees in bank FD which pays 8% interest. After 3 years, your 100 rupees investment would have become approximately 126 rupees. Although it is 8% per annum, you get 8 rupees. For 3 years, you get 3 into 8, 24 rupees. But there is a compounding. First year, you get 8% interest. So your 100 rupees become 108. For second year, you get the interest on 108 rupees. So the next year, the interest will be slightly more. So I am just giving only approximate figure. So approximately it will be 126 rupees. So you invested 100 rupees. Now you got 126 rupees. So that means your profit, the interest is your profit, is 26 rupees. There is no indexation benefit for bank FD. So that means without indexation benefit, you are liable to pay tax for 26 rupees. Assuming that you are in a 30% tax bracket, so your taxation will be 30% of this 26 rupees, that is about 7 rupees 80 paise. You get 26 rupees profit over a period of 3 years and then 7 rupees 80 paise goes as a tax. So this is without indexation. Now look at the same magic with indexation benefit. So with indexation benefit, how you have to calculate? You have to check the inflation index in 2019-20, that was 289. The inflation index in 2022-23 is 331. So although you are investing 100 rupees, so your investment will be taken as inflation index in 22-23 divided by inflation index 2019-20 multiplied by 100 rupees. So that is 331 divided by 289 into 100. So that is about 114.5. So you invested 100 rupees, you got 126 rupees, but your investment will not be taken as 100 rupees. With indexation benefit, your investment will be taken as 114 rupees 50 pice. So now your net profit will be taken as 126 minus 114.5, that means it's only 11.5. But remember, indexation benefit is applicable only if you are holding the asset for more than 3 years. More than 3 years if you are holding an asset, you will be eligible for indexation benefit and a long-term capital gain tax of 20%. So now your net profit is 11 rupees 50 pice, 20% tax for that will be only about 2 rupees 30 pice. You see, without indexation benefit you pay 7 rupees 80 pice, with indexation benefit you pay 2 rupees 30 pice. So that means you are saving almost 5 rupees 50 pice. That's almost 5.5%. Assume that somebody invests 100 crore, so 5.5 crore will be the difference. So this is the magic of indexation. But where the indexation benefit will be applied? So indexation benefit is given usually for the real estate investments, and indexation benefit was given for debt mutual funds. But from April 1, this indexation benefit for debt mutual funds has been removed. You will have to pay tax for the total profit that you are making. And of course, somebody today I saw one interesting argument. In case of FD, whether you receive the FD interest or not, so every year the notional FD interest will have to be considered as your income, you are liable to pay tax. Whereas in case of debt mutual funds, only when you sell the mutual funds, so then only you are liable to pay tax. Of course, you are liable to pay full tax, but as long as you are not selling, you are not going to pay. So you hold it for about 10 year or 15 year, and then so that time we will see how to pay the tax. So that is a small difference between bank FD and debt mutual funds. So still I feel that now FDs are better than the debt mutual funds. I do not know, there is a rumor going around that the government feels that everybody should pay nominal tax, that means a full tax, whatever investments they are having. And slowly that is where the things are going. And maybe in future for real estate also this indexation benefit may be taken out. So therefore already real estate investments are not doing well. So there is a place called OMR in Chennai, that is where most of the IT industries are there. So as far as I know, for the last 15 years, there is no capital appreciation in the apartment prices in that particular area. And other areas there is some improvement, but this particular area where most of the IT people are staying, there was no appreciation. So at the end of the day, there will be no place for you to invest better, and so you will be incentivized to spend more so that the government gets more tax. So let us see what happens. We still have one more year for the next budget to get all these unpleasant things may happen. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.